All right, pay attention here because everyone whines and complains about overcooking their chicken, and we're not gonna let you do that today. So what we're gonna do is bake your chicken today, and we're gonna bake it in a few different ways with seasoning wise, not a few different ways, but okay, so here's how it goes. You're going to take your store-bought breast, and if you need to cut off any of the fat, I mean, that's fine, but unnecessary. You're just gonna lay your breast down in a Pyrex dish. You're gonna get your oven on to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Here, we'll even just do 3 breasts. How about that? And you could pick out any of your favorite seasoning, lemon pepper, you have roasted garlic, you got salt and pepper is a great one. So here, we'll start with salt and pepper. Get this out of the way. You're gonna use salt, and don't be afraid to put it on. Pepper, like you're not gonna really overdo it unless you overdo it. So flip it over. We're gonna do a little bit light coating of salt, light coating of pepper, and then you're gonna put the cut side down, like the breast is on the outside facing up. Okay, so next let's do a lemon pepper, shall we? Okay, so then from here, sprinkle it on. Get it good and coated all the way around, nice and evenly. Okay, flip it over. That's it. And you just stay in your lane right here. So you could do 3 different breasts. You have 3 different meals that you're cooking for. And then here, oh, another favorite, a personal favorite, Montreal chicken by Grill Mates. It's awesome. This tastes fantastic. I think it's pretty new. Anyway, so, but don't be afraid to cover the whole breast, okay? You just don't need to put a thick layer of coating on it. You've preheated your oven, which means that your oven is on 350 degrees. Let's go put it in. And you're gonna put it in for about between 25 and 35 minutes, depending on the thickness of the breast. Now these breasts are not super thick. That's why I didn't even fillet them or butterfly them, cut them in half. Okay, put them in the middle rack. And there you go. The other thing that you could do, which I probably should have done, is just give a little spray on the coat on the bottom, just to make them slide right off. But it's up to you what you like as far as spraying stuff on there. But now we're just gonna wait for, we're gonna check the meat at 25 minutes to see how done it is, and we will go from there because everyone's oven is different. Okay, so it's been 32 minutes and we're gonna check it now. So remember, we're going for middle finger. That is it. I will cut it to show. And that is done perfectly. Look at the way that that's fraying. That chicken is juicy and delicious. Here, I'm gonna put it right into my to-go box. And this is how it should look. Okay, so it's nice and moist, it's dripping. That's why I have to, right? Okay, so there. And then you're done. This is it. You're ready and prepped to go. You can put your other vegetable in or your carb, and you're ready to go. That's it. That's simple. Have a good one.